In this video, I will show you how to zip a file in Windows 11 step by step. This is a quick and easy way to compress files and folders on your laptop or PC, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what you want to do is first of all find the file or files that you want to zip on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. For this example, I've got two files here. I've got a PNG file and a Microsoft Word document. What you want to do first is click to select the files. If you want to zip multiple files, then hold down Control on your keyboard and click to select your multiple files. Once you've done that, right click and you're going to get this menu come up. On this menu, what you want to do is come and hover over the compress to option, and on the sub menu, you can see we've got the option for zip file. Give that a click, and as you can see, it's going to create a new zipped folder. What we can do is give this a name. So I'm going to call this one test zip folder. And once that's done, your zipped folder is good to go. You can see in here, we've got our two files, which have now been zipped. If you want to unzip or extract these, just simply right click onto the folder. And on this menu, you want to click onto extract all. What you can then do is select a destination to extract your files and then click onto extract. As you can see, that's going to extract and unzip the folder. You can see that it will zip things gone off the folder, and we can now open that folder and access the files. So that's how to zip a file in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.